storm was all over Luzon, saan mo ako gustong ilagay noon? Sa inyo, sa Bicol, sa bahay ninyo, sa Naga? O dito ako sa Parañaque? May baha rin eh. So where were you? Hindi na kailangan ako mag-order at mag-order ka pa on the day. You are presuming that I should be giving orders on the day of the storm. That is stupid. That is why you cannot become a president, really. Mahina ka eh. Wala ka nang ibigay ang order kasi ang order na ibigay na 2 or 3 days. You do not give orders on the day of the war.
Sir, former Vice President Leder Bredo is asking for help, in particular yung mga rubber boats. How soon?
Yeah, as soon as we can get in. As soon as makapasok kami. We will be doing that, and we are now beginning to marshal our assets, like for example rubber boats hanggang Mindanao. Kukunin na muna namin at dadali namin dito sa area na pangangailangan. We just got that report from Kamsur that half the province is underwater because they live in that the basin within Albay and Kamsur. Kaya yun ang talagang tinatamaan lagi ng baha. So as soon as we can, we will go in. As soon as we can. Kung kailangan, di naman mailipad ng helicopter yun. So kailangan truck ang magpapasok eh. Oo. So as soon as mag-clear, alam naman ng DPWH ang gagawin nila. At nakamonitor naman sila, nandun naman ang mga tao nila, mga regional officers, para magsabi when they can come in. So that's what we're waiting for now. So wala we are at the mercy of the weather, as we always are. So we will just have to wait for the true effects of this typhoon, Christine. All right? Thank you.